Need help setting up your Brother MFC-J480DW on Wi-Fi? Don't worry, you'll have it connected in just a few minutes by following the simple steps I'm about to share. And if you need extra support, you can call at the numbers displayed on the screen for one-on-one expert assistance. Alright, let's get started and connect your Brother printer to Wi-Fi router. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, make sure your printer is turned on, then press the settings button. After that, use the arrow button to select the network option and then press the OK button. In the network section, choose the WLAN option and then press OK. Next, scroll down to the Setup Wizard option and press the OK button. Once you see the Enable WLAN screen, then press the right arrow button to select Yes and proceed. Now, it will start looking for the available wireless routers. When you see the list of the SSID names, then select yours and then press the OK button. It is time to type in your password for the network connection. So, do that and press the OK button. Once the connection is complete, you will see the screen. Press the right arrow button to finish the process. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.